Self-education is very much important. Self-motivation is very much important. Self-empowerment is very much important. No one is coming to train you. No one is coming to serve you. No one is coming to educate you. Right? As I have told, it is your 100% responsibility to save your life. My dear student friends, have you heard Neha? Have you heard the name of Neha? Baidwal, Neha Baidwal from Rajasthan. While preparing for the UPSC examination, he did not use mobile phone. She did not use mobile phone for long 3 years. She was determined. At the first attempt, she failed, but she was happy. She was happy. Then again next year, in the second attempt, she failed by 2 marks. She was happy. Again, third attempt, she failed by 8 marks. She was happy. She was the happiest in the world, as she told us. Again, she continued not working. At the fourth attempt, she cracked UPSC examination. Now she is the SCS officer. She is working as a SCS officer in the country. We have to learn a nation. Because now I am telling you, if our student, if some student fails at the first attempt, they become disheartened. Right? They are broken. But the first failure, single failure, next failure is not the last failure. Right? We have to go on working. We have to work with consistency. This consistency is very much important. But our students have failed to understand the meaning of consistency. If you study today, you want to take responsibility, right? It happens in our case. If our students study for 2 days, they want to take rest for 3 days. This is not the consistency, and this will not help you to be successful in your life. This is very much important. Remember. So, for managing everything, for overcoming the challenges which come in our daily life, we have to develop soft skills also. Soft skills, we must have the ability to talk to ourselves. Right? You know what your mind says. You listen what your mind says. We must be able to talk to the people, to our parents, to our teacher. This is different thing. But at the same time, we must be able to interact with ourselves, which is called interpersonal communication. Right? Listen to yourself, because your mind speaks a lot. What you think, what you say, you become. Right? What you say, what you think, you become. You say, tomorrow I will get up at 2 a.m., your body will get up. You say, tomorrow I will get up at 9 a.m., your body will get up at 9 a.m. What you think, what you say, your body listens.